Very close to Eiffel Tower. Here is one photo spot from where the tower looks even better. Just look at this view. Good morning guys, and welcome to day 20 of our travel daily vlog. We're still in Paris and just look at this view. Eiffel Tower looks great from anywhere, but when you came even closer it looks so impressive. Another great spot to see panoramic view of Paris and Eiffel Tower itself. It calls Jardins du Trocadero, or somehow in French, I don't know. And if you go up there, you will see very beautiful view. How cool is this? Every time when we came in Paris, there is some protest in random places of the city. And for example, yesterday was even like not just only protest but strike, and almost all subway line doesn't work. So it took us way longer to get from one place to another. And now here, I don't know what is this, but a lot of people just in front of Eiffel Tower. Here is one photo spot from where the tower looks even better. Because of the buildings around and the trees, just look at this view. When you came closer, the arch looks so huge. I know many cities and many countries has this kind of Arc of the Triomphe, but this one is incredibly huge. Due to social movement, the monument will be closed today. And unfortunately, today is the only day when we're able to do this, because tonight we have flight to Poland. So probably we will go there next time. For using subway, buses and tram in Paris, you need to have this kind of card. You can refill it, but the card itself is not plastic, it's just paper one, and it costs €2, and just regular fare is most of the time €2.50. So guys, we made it from Paris to Warsaw. Right now we are in city center. Behind us is central train station, big shopping mall, and this cool building right there calls Palace of Culture and Science. And it's pretty late for now, so we're gonna go to our friend's place and we'll explore the city tomorrow. So see you, bye.